you smile at me and ask me how I've been? Don't you dare miss me when you don't want me again. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Don't You by Taylor Swift. It's from the Vault, Fearless. Alright, so we're gonna play this with basic chords. Put your cap bow on fret number 3. And the chords that we're playing are for the chorus. Okay, let's start with the verse actually, so that we just play the whole song. Okay, so we have an intro going on. This is kind of like an advanced player part. This is the... So I'm going to put that at the end. Let's start with the beginner chords just to show you the chords and the strums, and then we get into the intermediate playing and then the advanced. Alright, so the verse is... Okay, let's restart the song. So we have a C first to G, A minor, and then F. Alright, that's your intro. Okay, so C is open 3, 2, open 1, open. Alright, now don't mind this string if it's out of tune. I actually just installed it right now. I snapped the other one in the other video, so I'm gonna have to keep retuning it until it's in tune. Alright, so that's open 3, 2, open 1, open, right? And then we go to G, which is 3, 2, open, 1, 1. Right, and then we go to A minor, which is open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we put an F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Or you can play the F minor if you're gonna do that. Right, so F minor is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Is it an F minor or an F minor 7? I don't know. Please let me know in the comment section if you do know what chord that is. That's your intro, and then we get into the verse, and we're playing, we have C to G, A minor, F. So the verse and the intro are the same. Well, I didn't mean to stay. So that's C to G, A minor to F. Let's just redo that so that I can give you the strumming pattern. Oh, I didn't mean to say. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, that's my strumming pattern. And then there's a progression change where she goes. I heard she's nothing like me, so let's do that part. To stay. So we have a D minor. Okay. So D minor is open, 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 3, 2, 1. You have D minor to E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we go to F, and then G. So that's your pre-chorus, the I heard she's girl. D minor, heard she's nothing. E minor, like me, and then F. Make you happy. That's F to G, and then you go into the Don't You. That's the chorus now. All right, so let's do that. You smile at me and ask me how I've been. So the chorus is similar to the verse, but then instead of a G, we're having an E minor. So we have Don't you to E minor, and then instead of A minor we're having a D minor there, and then F. Right, and then the second time you can play C to G, and then you go again to D minor, and then F. Right, and then let's see what we have for the third time. Let's just start over the whole chorus. So we have don't you see, G, and then D minor to F. Right, C, don't you, G, D minor, and then F. Right, and then you go to D minor. Alright, so that's the you don't, it's D minor, you don't, G, don't, na, C, E minor, A minor. Alright, the D minor, you don't, G, know how much, C, E minor, A minor, F to G, and then C. Alright, now the intermediate version of the song would be more of plucking in the verses and then strumming the chorus. So for your plucking, that's where we have actually for the verse, that's where we're gonna be strumming. Na, 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 na. Right, while you're muting your chords, while you're muting your strings, sorry, and then pluck the chorus. So don't you, na, 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 na. So for C, I am plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for G, I'm plucking 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for A minor, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for F, again, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. And then now let's get into that intro that I said is for the advanced player. So we have C, 6, 3, 1, 6, 3, 1. Okay, so we have on your first string, I want you to play open, and then you go to second fret of the B string. Right, so, and then you open again. So it's open, 2 on your third fret of your second string, and then open again on 1. So, again, and then you go, okay, and then you go open, open, and then play 1, open, 2 on the first fret this time, and then this is second fret of the G string, and then open again. Okay, so we're gonna bunch that with chords, right? So we have right the second time, and then open, open, 1, open, 2 on the second string, sorry, 1 on the second string, 2 on the third string, and then you open, right? Now let's bunch that with the chords, okay? So we have now you're on F, right? And then you play open, open, sorry, A minor, and then F, right? So we have C, G, A minor, so you're bunching that with your F major chord, right? Now there's a bridge here which has a different chord progression, so let's do that part. After the, I think this is the second chorus, we go to so I'll walk out, that's D minor, to E minor, F to G. Hold on a second. So we have D minor, to E minor, and then F, friends, to G, and then F again. So if I see you again, and then we start Don't You. All right. So I hope you got that. We have D minor, na na na, E minor, na 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 na, F, na 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 na, to G, and then you go back to F, and then you're starting. If I see you again, and then don't you let me in, ask me how I've been, don't you? Alright, so that is it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like on the video if it helped you, and do share it with your guitar playing friends or people that are trying to learn. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.